Very good morning students. Sai Ram. Welcome back to our maths period. Children, this session I am going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 16, quadrilaterals. Okay. So we will discuss about what is meant by quadrilaterals and what are the properties of quadrilateral that we will discuss. Are you ready, children? So do you know what is meant by quadrilateral? Yes, children, that's here. In geometry, the shape or objects are classified based on the number of sides. Okay, the shape or object are classified based on the number of sides. Okay, so the different classification of shapes are, see here. Yes, which figure, geometrical figure has three sides, that is called what? Triangle. Okay, so can you say, children, that previous chapter, what is the name of the chapter? Yes, triangle. Okay, that means three side closed figure, isn't it, children? Yes, three side. This is what? Triangle. So here how many sides? 1, 2, 3. Total three sides are there. So triangle. And four sided figure, that is called what? Quadrilateral. 5-side figure, pentagon. 6 sides figure, hexagon. 7 side figure, that is what? Heptagon. And 8 sides, that is what? Octagon. And so on. Okay, so this session I will discuss about what is meant by quadrilaterals and their property. Are you ready? Children, see here what is meant by quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a plane figure that has four sided. Okay, quadrilateral means how many sided figure, children? Yes, four sides figure. Four sides are edges and also have four corners or vertices. Okay, so that example is square and rectangle. See here, children, here I will draw one. Yes, this is what? Rectangle. Okay, so here how many sides are there? Can you see, children? Yes, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 sides are there. Okay, so this is what? One of the quadrilateral. Okay, children. So quadrilateral is a plane figure that has 4 sides or edges and also has, yes, 4 corners. How many corners is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 vertices are there. So vertex means what I told, where the two line will meet, that point is called what? Vertex. Isn't it, children? So here can you say how many vertices are there? Yes, here 4 vertices are there. Yes, how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so see here, children. Yes, here I have, these are the content outline. So this lesson what we will study? Reading and writing of a quadrilateral. Okay, how we have to read and write of that quadrilateral. Next one is adjacent sides of a quadrilateral, opposite sides of a quadrilateral, adjacent angles of a quadrilateral, opposite angles of a quadrilateral, diagonals of a quadrilateral, and polygons. So we will see one by one. Okay, children, see here, first one is what? Yes, see here in this slide I have given one quadrilateral. See here, this is the four-sided closed figure, that is called what? This is a quadrilateral. Okay, so here how many sides are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-side closed figure. So here how many vertices? First we will see about sides. Okay, children. So side here AB, this line segment AB. Yes, and the next one is what? BC, CD and DE. So total how many sides are there, children? Yes, 4 sides are there. Total how many sides are there? 4 sides are there. Okay, and next one is vertices. Vertices means what? Yes, in previous chapter also already I told, isn't it? Can you say? Yes, vertices means that two line will meet. See here, this is one line and this is another line. This two line will meet here, this point. So that is called what? Vertex. Okay, so here how many vertex are there? Yes, 1, 2, here 3, see, that is 4. 4 vertices, that means point A, point B, point A, point B, point C and point D. These are the vertices of this quadrilateral. Okay, and next one is angle. Okay, children, how many angles are there here? So children, see here. So children, see here, next one is ankle. Here how many ankles are there? See here, normally when we will write the ankle, we will use 3 letters, isn't it children? In case suppose see here B ankle I have to mention here. Okay, so how I have to write? Yes, measurement of ankle A, B, C. That means here, see here children, measurement of ankle A, B, C means this one. Okay, so it means that I am mentioning here B ankle. Okay, so in case I have to mention here A ankle. So how I have to write? Yes, normally 3 letters we are using. Isn't it children? That already you had studied in your 5th standard. So measurement of ankle, how we have to write? Yes, D, A, B. Okay, that means D, A, B means measurement of ankle A. So children, which one you have to mention here, that it should be in middle. Okay, so can you say now D, how we have to mention? Yes, ankle D, how we have to mention children? Yes, measurement of ankle. Yes, can you say? Very good. A, D, C, R, measurement of ankle C, D, A. Okay, so children, you have to see these two. Yes, measurement of ankle A, D, C, R, C, D, A. Okay children, so see here, anyway here we are mentioning D, measurement of ankle D. So which one you have to mention? That it should be in middle. Okay children, so here can you say how many ankles are here? Yes, ankle A, ankle B, ankle C and ankle D. Total 4 ankles are there. Okay, that how we have to write? Yes, measurement of ankle A, B, C, measurement of ankle B, C, D, measurement of ankle C, D, A, measurement of ankle D, A, B. Okay children, so here how many sides are there? 4 sides are there. How many vertex? 4 vertex. And how many angles? 4 angles are there in a quadrilateral. So I hope you understood now what is meant by side, vertex and angles of a quadrilateral. Yes, shall we go to next one now? Next one is, see here, that reading and writing of a quadrilateral. How we have to read and write of the name of the quadrilateral. Okay, here I have given one quadrilateral here. A quadrilateral can be named by starting at any vertex. So here A, B, C, D, these are the vertex. So when you want to give a name here, you can start any vertex. Okay, and going serially either clockwise or anti-clockwise. See here, suppose here I have to start the name with A vertex. So A, name of the quadrilateral is what? A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. Otherwise I can say A, yes, this is a clockwise. This is a, yes, and this is what children? Yes, this is what? Clockwise, and this one is anti-clockwise. Okay, so how I have to write the name here? Otherwise I can write A, yes, next one is what? Next vertex is D, next one is C, B. Otherwise A, B, C, D. So anyway you have to write. Okay, but it should be yes clockwise or anti-clockwise. So it should yes children, see here we can't write A, C, D, B. See here, A is here, C is here and D, B. Like this we can't write. Okay, so in case I suppose I have to start with D. So can you say children? Yes, D, the name of the quadrilateral is what? D, A, B, C. Or this wise, yes, clockwise D, C, B, A. Okay children, it should be like this or like this. Okay, so children, you have to mind here that if you want to give a name of the quadrilateral, yes, you can start at any vertex at the same time. Yes, serially you have to go. Okay, you can't jump, you don't jump. Okay, you have to go to serially here, clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay children, See here, next one is, yes, here reading and writing of the quadrilateral. Here I have given quadrilateral ADCB. That means how we have to write. This is the symbol of the quadrilateral. Okay, and reading how we have to write. Yes, quadrilateral DCBA. How we have to write? Quadrilateral DCBA. And here this one how we have to read, children? Quadrilateral CBD CBAD. See here, CBAD. CBAD. Okay, and the next one is what? Yes, quadrilateral BADC. So children, what you have to do? You have to write one quadrilateral like this. Yes, and you have to give a name W, X, Y, Z, and you have to write the name. Okay, so 4 different type of name you will get. So that 4 name you have to write and see. How to do practice. Okay, children. Next one is, see here. Yes, adjacent sides of a quadrilateral. Now I will discuss about what is meant by adjacent sides. Children, see here, now adjacent means neighbor. Okay, adjacent means neighbor. So adjacent sides of a quadrilateral means, just here I have given one quadrilateral. This first side, that is AB. Okay, one side I have mentioned here, that is AB. What is the adjacent side of this AB? Adjacent side of this side AB we will discuss now. Okay, that means this is one side. Yes. What is the adjacent side of this one? This side, isn't it? So side AB, adjacent side of the side AB is what? Side BC. Okay, children. Otherwise, this line also we can say the adjacent side of this AB. So side AB, yes, adjacent side of this AB, we can say this AD also, isn't it? Yes, children. Yes, side AB and BC, these two are what? Adjacent side. Otherwise, side AB and side AD are also adjacent side. And here one more thing. Yes, side AD. Side AD. Okay. And what is the adjacent side of this AD? You can say, yes, adjacent side of this AD is side DC. Otherwise, yes, adjacent side of this AD is, you can say, adjacent side of this AD, you can say this side also, that means AB. So children, you have to see here which one is that one common vertex is there, isn't it, children? So adjacent sides of the quadrilateral have a common vertex. Okay, so any one side here, one side I will tell here, that is BC. Okay, BC. Can you say that adjacent side of this BC? Yes, CD. Here which one is a common vertex? C. So children, you have to mind the adjacent sides of the quadrilateral have a common vertex. So adjacent means, you don't get confusion, adjacent means a neighbor. Okay. So next one is, you have to see here, children. Yes, every quadrilateral has how many pairs of adjacent sides? Do you know? Yes, this one is one side. What is the adjacent side? This one. Okay, and so here like this you have to write the pair of quadrilateral. You will get 4 pair of quadrilateral, 4 pair of adjacent sides. Every quadrilateral has 4 sides of 4 pair of adjacent sides. Okay, children. Next one is, yes, opposite sides. Opposite sides of a quadrilateral, you know what is the meaning of opposite side, isn't it? So here side AB. Side AB, what is the opposite side of this AB? Very good. Opposite side of this side is what? This one, DC. So AB and side DC are opposite sides. And one more thing, yes, this one, side AD. Side AD. What is the opposite of this AD? Yes, side BC. Okay, children. So just you have to see here, have you any common vertex here? No. So children, now we discussed about that adjacent side and opposite side. Okay. So see here that adjacent side they have common vertex and opposite sides there is no common vertex. Okay. So children, here this fill up you have to write two pair of, yes, that pair of opposite sides you have to write. Okay children, shall we go to next one now? So here what is the conclusion? Opposite sides of the quadrilateral do not have a common vertex. Okay, do not have a common vertex. See here for example, yes, here A, B, C, D. Yes, side AB. What is the opposite side of this side AB? Yes, DC. Okay, and this side you have to take BC. What is the opposite side of this BC? AD. So just you have to see this pair. Have you seen any here? Can you see any common vertex here? No. So that's why here opposite sides of the quadrilateral do not have a common vertex. Okay children. Next one is adjacent angles of a quadrilateral. Okay, adjacent angles. That means adjacent means what I told, neighbor. See here. So children, now we will discuss about that adjacent angles of a quadrilateral. Okay. So as I told here, when we will mention that angles, we have to write a 3 letter. Okay. So here I have given angle ABC. Angle ABC means which angle here children? Yes, ABC. That means I am mentioning here B angle. Okay. So this angle, what is the adjacent angle of this ABC? So angle B, so it might be angle C or angle A. These are the what? Adjacent angle. Okay, so if I want to mention here C angle, how I have to write here children? Yes, how I have to write? B C D or D C B. Okay, so first here I have mentioned here angle A B C, that means this angle, that means B angle, and this one and this angle. Okay, angle B C D. These are what? B C D means here which angle is there? In middle which letter is there? C. So angle C I am mentioning here. So you know that angle B and angle C is what? Yes, adjacent angles. Okay children. So I have written here that two angles, that is ABC and angle BCD, have a common arm BC. So when I am here, this one, see here, this angle, and next one is which angle here? This angle here, this one is BC, is what? A common arm BC. Okay, so these angles are neighboring or adjacent angles. So children, see here that adjacent side. So the adjacent side have what? Common vertex. Like that, adjacent angles are having common arm. Okay, and I have one more example here. We will see now. ADC. ADC. Okay, that means this angle. ADC. So the neighbor of this angle is A. Okay, so angle ADC and this angle A, how we go to write? Yes, angle DAB. These two are what? Adjacent angles. Okay, DAB. So here which one is a common arm? Yes, AD is the common arm. Okay children, here which one is a common arm? AD. So children, you have to mind the two angles. That means that adjacent angles are having one common arm. Okay. So children, in your home you have to draw one quadrilateral and you have to give a name and you have to write how you have to write and what is adjacent sides, opposite sides, and what is the adjacent angles of that quadrilateral you have to write. Okay, so I hope you will do in your home. Yes, so children, remaining thing we will discuss in the next class. Okay, that is opposite angles and polygon and diagonals. These all things we will discuss in next class. Okay, so today we discussed about that adjacent, what is meant by quadrilateral, what is meant by adjacent side, opposite sides and adjacent angles of a quadrilateral. Okay, this is your homework. You have to draw any one quadrilateral given name WXYZ. Okay, adjacent side, opposite sides and adjacent angles you have to write, and you have to see how many angles are there. Okay, how many adjacent, how many opposite, how many adjacent angles are there, you have to see. Okay children. Yes, thank you children. Sai Ram.